Adding auto captions. By adding auto captions to videos, we can save a lot of time. Auto captions create text from spoken words automatically, so we don't have to type everything out ourselves. This lets us spend more time on other important parts of making the video, making the whole process quicker and easier. First, open CapCut. Then start a new project. You'll see this interface. First, you need to import a video into CapCut. Click on the Import button. You'll see this interface. Select your video files and double-click on them. Then drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Double-click on it to access the editing options. Go to the Text tab located on the top left side. You'll see this interface. Click on Auto Captions. This menu will appear. Click on this tab and select your language. After that, click on the Generate button. After some time, you'll see the captions added to your video. After adding the captions, you can edit them. CapCut allows you to edit captions within the editing panel. First, I'll click here and change the captions font. With this slider, you can increase or decrease the scale of your captions. These options allow you to bold, underline, and italicize your captions. CapCut also allows you to change the captions color. To change the color of the captions, click here and select any color according to your needs. I selected red. You can see I have changed the caption color. After that, click on the Templates button. You'll see this interface. In this tab, you can select any template for your captions. For example, I selected this one. You can see I have added the template to my captions. Then click on the Bubbles button. You'll see this interface. In this tab, you can add any bubble background to your captions. For example, I selected this one. You can see the bubble added to my video. Then I'll go to the Animation tab. In this tab, I can add any animation to my text. For example, I selected this one and clicked on it. The animation was successfully added to my text. Then I have a Captions tab appear on the top left side in the editing panel. In this tab, I can edit any caption. To edit the captions, click on them. Then change any word or sentence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.